Stop by and take a look at the 2014 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History